In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves.
Hello everybody, we are now in our field. Welcome to Tarifa Farm. So today we are cleaning and preparing our land, our plot, uh, because after this we will teach you how to plant the baggy beans. So first uh, after making a plot, we hold that and then put the manure of goat's manure. After putting of goat's manure, we will okay, we will fill it in every hole, the manure of the goat, and we select the good seeds, but we prefer the seeds, certified seed came from the agricultural supply. So in this time, uh, after we put it every plot, okay, we make maximum of plot 7 to 8 plots in 1 kilo of the potatoes. And after a week, after week 1 week and a half, you can see the the growing baggy beans. So thank you for watching and see you next time.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams.